Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate ganache frosting. So let's get started. First, chop up the chocolate into small pieces. You can use any chocolate you like. I'm using 2/3 milk chocolate and 1/3 dark chocolate. Try and use good quality chocolate for good results. Add the chopped chocolate into a medium bowl. Then add the heavy cream into a small saucepan and heat it on the stove until it just starts to boil. Then take it off the heat, pour it over the chopped chocolate, push it down so it's all submerged. Let it sit for 2 minutes to let the heavy cream melt the chocolate. Then whisk them until they're well combined and smooth. Then add in some salt to help bring out the flavor. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 3 hours or overnight until it's nice and firm. Then remove it from the fridge, and it should be this firm consistency. Then beat it with an electric mixer until it's light and soft. Try not to over whip it or it will have a grainy texture. And just use it to frost and decorate a cake or cupcakes. I showed how to make this chocolate cake in many of my previous videos, and I'll link to one of them in the description box. And that's how to make a chocolate ganache frosting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.